The adoption of eSIM technology is expected to become significantly more widespread and accessible to consumers in 2025, marking a pivotal shift in mobile connectivity. According to various industry reports, the global number of eSIM connections is projected to reach around 3.4 billion by the end of the year, representing rapid growth driven primarily by smartphones, smartwatches, tablets, and laptops adopting eSIM technology. Major smartphone manufacturers like Apple, Samsung, and Motorola are leading this trend, with Apple actively expanding eSIM functionality across its product lines and even introducing SIM-only iPhone models, initially in select markets such as the US. GSMA forecasts suggest that by 2025, up to 25%, 40% of all smartphone connections worldwide could be utilizing eSIMs, an indication that eSIM is moving from early adoption toward mainstream acceptance. Furthermore, forecasts indicate that half of smartphone connections could be eSIM-based by 2028 and as much as 76% by 2030, underscoring the rapid pace of eSIM integration into the consumer market. This movement is also accelerated by the convenience eSIM offers, including better security, the ability to switch carriers without physical SIM swaps, and enhanced support for multi-line and travel use cases 1, 2, 3, 4. Despite relatively slow initial consumer adoption, industry stakeholders, including mobile network operators, handset manufacturers, and IoT device makers, are aggressively pushing eSIM adoption forward. By early 2025, around 25 significant smartphone brands, including top players with large market shares, have launched eSIM-compatible devices, steadily increasing from prior years. The expanding availability of eSIM-enabled devices in not only smartphones but also laptops, tablets, and wearables points to a broadening ecosystem. Market analysts predict steady compound annual growth rates in the eSIM market, reaching over $12 billion in 2025 and rising even further as IoT, 5G expansion, and digital-first connectivity solutions continue to fuel demand. This growth is further supported by emerging digital services like full digital SIM plans from banking apps and MVNOs, which are leveraging eSIM technology to deliver seamless mobile experiences. Taken together, these trends point to 2025 as the year when eSIM truly becomes accessible and practical for a mass market, signaling a shift away from physical SIM cards toward embedded, software-controlled connectivity as the new standard. 4, 5, 8, 10